Today we're going to do an unboxing. Everything you need to get a final product with a custom CCL or osteoarthritis brace is in this box. So I'm going to show you what's in here. Basically, everything you need to get on that dog's leg. The first step will be a stockinette. That's the first thing you're going to put on the dog's affected leg. So whether it's the back left, back right, this is the stockinette you're going to use. You are going to wet this piece first, just because dogs have fur. If you put this on without wetting it, it's going to slide right off the dog's leg. Step number one. Step number two, we include a buffer strip. Basically, just before the fiberglass dries, we're going to cut along and take that fiberglass off the dog's leg. You want to do it along the groove of the buffer strip. This will ensure that the dog doesn't feel any pain and that it's all comfortable and the fiberglass doesn't stick to the dog's fur. Step number two. Step number three, always wear gloves. You're working with fiberglass. That fiberglass will stay in your hands forever otherwise. So step number three is the gloves. And the final step, fiberglass. Make sure you wet this. Make sure it's completely wet all around. And you're going to start wrapping the canine with this fiberglass. Once it's dry, you send it to us. We'll get a perfect product. These are some finished braces that will look absolutely perfect for your dog.